Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to talk about how to add a welcome message onto your Discord server. So first of all, we're going to go in the left side of the page, press discover, go search for Dino, click the first option and press add app. This will then redirect you into a web browser where you can select your server and authorize it. So once you have added the bot, you're going to be redirected to this page where you're going to be asked to select your prefix and choose your time zone. I'm just going to choose a random one, press next, choose your updates channel, you're going to choose general and press done. Then once you've done that, you're just going to search for welcome, enable it, go to settings, then you're going to go into message and you're just going to type in your welcome message, the ones that is going to be sent once a user joins. Here you have variables, so you can choose what person or role to tag, or a server or a channel. Then you want to choose a welcome message location. You're going to go into send welcome message in a DM if that's what you want, or you can select a channel to send the message in. So I'm just going to choose general for this, and then I'm going to press update. So every time someone joins, now they're gonna get a welcome message. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.